comes. The wife takes a child, the wife takes a child. Hi-ho and dairy, the wife takes a child. The child likes to walk, the child likes to walk. Hi-ho and dairy, the child likes to walk. Let's walk, everybody. Go the same way. If you need help, that's okay. Freeze.
Yay!
As it can go. Ready, birdies, and that is humongous. All right, and let's walk back in. Walk back in. Good job, birdies. Let's stretch it again. Ready?
Nicholas.
Ready? Let's go.
Nicholas, hold on. Here, look. Come here, buddy. Nicholas.
Oh, look at those strong birdies. Alright, and let's walk back in.
Come on, buddy.
Alright, birdies, let's show off our wheels on the bus. Ready, everyone stand up. Ready? You spread them under the elbows.
Yeah, there you go.
There we go. The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round, all through the town. As much as we can by ourselves. So Nia, can you show me how you climb up to Mom? Where's Mom? Okay, come on. Can you put your hands on Kenny? Climb up. Put your feet up for me. Need it, Mommy? Up. Use that for me. There we go. So what we're doing is we're trying to encourage our birdies to use their muscles as they're climbing up, trying to do as much as independently as possible. And it's a little different. There's a lot of people in here, so our birdies don't want to force them to do anything they don't want to do. But we're going to see if Mia can walk all the way to Mom. And she's standing all by herself, doing a great job on the balance beam. Hey, can we go get Lori? Where is she? Where is she? Let's go get her. Let's go get her. Let's go get her. There we go. There we go. Look at Mom. Look at her. Look at her. Look at her. No. Maybe later?
Be nice.
There you go. Look at her. Look at her. Look at her. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. You're so close.
Oh, the concentration in this room. Wow.
You're so close. You're so close.
Yeah.
Put one foot in front of each other. That's what we're trying to encourage them to do. We always have to say they can walk on the ground, but they'll be able to walk on the bouncing. It's just a little bit smaller of a surface, but it's definitely a great confidence booster and also works on their balance. So parents, go ahead and bring your birdies over and we can show them how we walk on the bouncing. Get up.
Wow.
Get him.
Ah, nice. Very good.
This is a balance.
Yay! Wow, she's come a long way, Janet.
I know.
She really has. How old now?
18 months.
So Beast's next semester.
Yes.
Wow.
Ball time training that we share, and work on the hand-eye coordination, see how they throw and catch. Let's see how they do. You gonna throw? Oh my goodness! I'm excited. Oh, there you go.
Reaction.
Such a wonderful job. But Birdie, let's pop some bubbles on the way with our hands. Ready? Here we go. This is our favorite time of class. Bubble time.
Bubbles.
Get those bubbles. Get them with your hands. Alright, bubbles are moving. Showing up. Oh, very cool stuff today. You guys did it awesome. So, not only did our birdies do a very nice job today, but through the course of the 20 weeks, they've just done an amazing job. Not only skill-wise, but just growing into their own personality and giving them a little more independency, kind of exploring around the gym, doing their own thing, and just creating challenges, doing a little risk taking themselves. So to award them for doing a nice job, I have a medal for each of them for doing a very nice job. So what we're going to do is, as I give our birdies each their medal, we'll give them a round of applause. So I am very proud to present our birdies with their little gym medal.
No, the bubbles are all gone.
So will they each give the birdies a medal, please?